Okay, good morning and welcome to another episode of One Fit Technicals. Um, as we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. You guys get to see more of my strategy, how I get my entries and all, how I get my positions. And then we get to see what opportunities we can get from the market for the day. So without further ado, let's get started. So fundamentals today, yeah, we, we have a bunch of low impact news. Yeah. And then we have this Euro news, all the German trading CPI. We have that the high impact news, and then we have by 3 p.m. on the USD too. So there's it looks like there's going to be a whole lot of volatility in the market today. So let's watch out. Let's jump on our charts and see what we can grab. Okay. Cool. Now looking at our charts here. Um, let's start with AUD USD. So basically, we broke below on Friday, yeah. So now we pushed up, and then we pushed down, and then we pushed up again, more like a double top. And then, honestly, I was expecting a retest here for that continuation, but then we didn't have it. And then we're pushing up now. So basically, what I'm watching out for is to see if we are going to see a break above this level. So price is just going to take it out. You understand? If price is going to take it out. Yeah. If you take it out, then this no more what's a downtrend now, what's a shifting structure to an uptrend. So pick now something like this. Or if we are going to have that break to the downside here. If we're going to have a break to the downside here, and then we can continue with the trend. So that's how we're looking at it. That's basically how I'm looking at NZ, AUD USD. So now let's take a look at NU. So now NU is a bit interesting. It's actually interesting. And then I forgot to tell you something there. This levels AUD is reacting from is actually the 50% Fibonacci. This place here, it tapped into the 50 yesterday. I feel it wants to go up and then take liquidity before it flushes down properly. So let's still watch out for that. Let me change now. So it is very So now let's take a look at NZD USD. So now looking at NZD USD, it's almost the same thing with AUD. It tapped yesterday, yeah. We broke on Friday, tapped yesterday into the 50, came back down, tapped into it again, rejected massively. Yeah, and then now we are like retesting this neckline here. So we can see if we see any like nice rejection candlestick here, yeah, we can enter that sell here. Yeah, we can enter here and then stop loss above these levels. Yeah, that's if you see an entry criteria. First, you can target this area here as your first area, as your first TP. After that, then you can, that's like 0.99 now. Yeah, that's like a TP1. And then the TP2 should be something like this. Stop loss above this. And then you target your TP2 here, down here. So that's how I'm going to be looking at. I'm going to be looking at NZD USD this morning. Then Euro USD. Euro USD is interesting. So this is basically what Euro USD is doing. Yeah. Let's see, it's range. Okay, so price basically what broke below last week, so and then what is tapped into the extremes. Yeah, and then it's more like consolidating. Yeah, it's contemplating that push to the downside. Do you understand? But then we're still bearish. Do you understand? So I'm actually on the sell on Euro USD. I took a sell yesterday. Yeah, let me show you this. So we tapped into this levels yesterday. We tapped up here. Sorry, we tapped here and then we pushed down. Yeah, and then we created like a double top, which indicated sign of a shift. After that, what I took a sell. Yeah, in this place like that, I took the sell like this, something like this. Sorry, that's what's selling this thing. I took a sell from around here, stop loss above here, and then my target is down here. So that's basically what I'm looking at for new USD. That's how I'm looking at it this morning. Yeah, hopefully it's going to be a quick trade. Let's watch and see how it's going. But for those that were not able to take that sell, yeah, there's another way you can look at it now. Yeah. So this is our low. This is our most recent low. Yeah, you can watch to see if price will break below this levels and what we have that tested for that continuation. So if we have that test, you can take another sell here. Stop loss just above these levels here, and then we target these lows here. Do you guys understand the analysis?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take a look at GU. I think GU was the only trade I did not take yesterday, because GU did not actually tap the 50% Fibonacci. GU is reacting from the 0.3 Fibonacci, which I am not always confident about. But this is basically what GU is doing. I think we're already shifting to the whole bearish structure. We pushed up, we pulled back, and then we pushed up again. We created like a double top. We broke below, and then now we are retracing extremely, yeah. And then we might actually see that push to the downside, but I don't have any entry on GU right now. So what I might just look at from GU is if I'm going to see a break below here. Yeah, if I see a break from that level, then I'm going to be looking at to see if I can get it. That's all that we have. Hope you guys understand the analysis on all the pairs. Do you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What other pair do you want us to take a look at before we go? UG, that's USDG, right? Okay. Whoa, SDJPY is a bit slopey. Yeah. SDJPY, this is already an uptrend. Do you understand? But then the thing is, SDJPY wants to start that retracement. You get. And most times SDJPY doesn't like retracing. That's the problem. These lows here, you can watch and see if we are going to have that break and then we start test. So honestly, USDJPY hits retracing deep, especially after very large moves. Yeah. So another thing you can watch out for is this high. I was telling you guys a time ago that I was going to backtest a strategy on USDJPY, and I've been very lazy to do it. I'm going to try. Yes, short retracement strategy. That's what you should watch out for. Once you have that break, yeah, above, check to see if you can use this short retracement strategy. And please, let me write it down on my to-do list. I'll settle down today and see if I can backtest that short strategy on USDJPY today. Let me write it down. USDJPY short retracement strategy backtest. Sorry guys, I've been lazy to backtest that strategy. I'll backtest it and see if the thing has over, let's say, 50% win rate, then we can start using it very well. Yeah. Let's look at CAD CHF. CAD CHF. CAD CHF. CAD CHF. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is wild. So CAD CHF here, we basically have a push, kind of like a pullback. We did like a double bottom, we pushed up, and then now we are tapping into these levels, yeah, and then we're pushing up. So basically, what you can watch out on CAT CHF is to see if you have a break of both, or price might just basically take our liquidity. Take our liquidity here. Price might basically just push up and then take our liquidity here and drop below. So watch out for that was clear break, and then you can see if you have what a retest. Yeah, that's one way you can look at it. Second way is if you have that rejection from that top, you can wait to see what a tap here and what a continuation, more like a double top formation there. So that's how you can attack CHF. Any other pairs before we go? Okay, without, if there's no other pair, I would like to call it a session. Those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. Yep.